लोकेशन बदल दी सर आपने?
हाँ जी,
लोकेशन बदल दी?
क्या कह रहे हैं? सुनाई नहीं दिया।
मैं कह रहा हूँ सर लोकेशन बदल दी आपने सिटिंग की।
अरे बस यार ऐसे ही है।
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग सुरभि, हाउ आर यू?
Good.
हाय स्वाति।
Hello, sir.
और क्या नया है?
नया सर ये है कि बस कंप्लीट हो जाए।
कंप्लीट तो हो जाएगा, जो शुरू हुआ है वो तो कंप्लीट तो होगा ही होगा।
कुछ हम लोग सीख लें, कुछ लायक बन जाएं, यही चल रहा है।
डेफिनेटली सीखेंगे यार, ये तो कहने वाली बात ही नहीं है।
टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा सर, क्या सीखेंगे।
अच्छा, मैंने आई व्हाट आई कैन रिकॉल, आई थिंक आई टुक फोरकास्टिंग ना व्हेन अंशुल वाज ऑन
यस
मेडिकल।
या
तो हमने फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग, रेवेन्यू मॉडलिंग और शायद एक मॉडल भी बनाया था।
मॉडल एक्चुअली हमारा बन नहीं पाया था।
बन नहीं पाया था।
बन नहीं पाया था।
एप्पल कंपनी का बना रहे थे, वो बन नहीं पाया।
तो हमने कोई अच्छा मॉडल बना नहीं पाए थे हम, तो फिर हमने सिर्फ फोरकास्टिंग से रिलेटेड एस्पेक्ट्स ही कवर किए थे और लाइन आइटम्स, हाउ टू फोरकास्ट।
हाँ जी, यस।
हाँ जी।
कोई नहीं, तो उसके बाद आई थिंक अंशुल मस्ट हैव कवर्ड दैट, राइट?
Yes, sir.
यस
आई थिंक I took your classes in May, right?
यस इनमें
So after
Yes.
that, what has been covered?
forecasting has covered.
Okay, so Anshul took forecasting again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So has he built a model using forecasting of line items?
Yes, sir. बिल्ड मॉडल एग्जाम्पल करवाया था उन्होंने, तो उसमें सारी चीजें कवर करवाई थी, इनकम स्टेटमेंट्स के साथ साथ बैलेंस शीट, कैश फ्लो, फिर उसमें इंटरलिंक, इस तरह से एक पूरा पर्टिकुलर एक खुद ही नहीं है, एक एग्जाम्पल क्रिएट करा था, तो फिर उसके थ्रू सारी चीजें करवाई थी।
Okay, so okay. So now I mean your valuation is starting, right?
Yes.
Yesterday he must have taken a introduction session on valuation.
Yes.
So can anyone just send a message in the group? Whosoever wants to join can join quickly so that we can start something.
साक्षी मैम
Sakshi
ने
has already
मैसेज कर
dropped.
दिया है।
Sorry?
साक्षी ने ड्रॉप कर दिया मैसेज।
Okay, so let's wait for another 2-3 minutes and then probably we'll start. So as very limited people are here, what is your expectation from this session?
सर हमें तो पता ही नहीं है, मतलब ये क्या पर्टिकुलर आज ही के लिए आप आए हो क्या सर?
हाँ,
okay.
जो भी सर है कुछ सीखने को मिले।
ओके, तो
कुछ बता दो सर कि मतलब पता चल जाए, हमें कुछ लायक हो जाए।
अरे आप सब लायक हो यार।
अरे सर लायक तो है, नौकरी चल रही है बस।
कोई बात नहीं, सब चलेगा भाई, सब
एज
चलेगा।
ए एनालिस्ट की मतलब एक एनालिस्ट को क्या नॉलेज होना चाहिए एक्चुअली, मतलब जो कि हमारे
फील्ड में
डे
प्रैक्टिकली
टू डे रूटीन में और जो ऑफिस में यूज हो रहा है, जैसे कि आप कहीं वर्किंग हैं तो क्या वो टर्म्स हैं, क्या कुछ टेक्निकल चीज है जो कि हमें मतलब पता होना चाहिए। ये चीजें हमें पता रहेगी तो शायद ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। वो देखो सर, हमें बैलेंस शीट बनाने को तो बोलेगा नहीं, वो बोलेंगे ना कि
बोलेंगे,
ये
बिल्कुल
बना हुआ है।
बोलेंगे, बैलेंस शीट बनाने को भी बोलेंगे।
बोलेंगे
हाँ, आप सबसे पहली बात तो ये
डेटा
है
पर
कि
रिलाई नहीं करेंगे।
हाँ,
डेटा पर रिलाई नहीं करेंगे जो पोर्टल पे अवेलेबल है एनएससी के।
देखो एक्चुअली बात दरअसल ये है कि पहले तो ये समझ लेते हैं हमारा रोल क्या है।
यस
ठीक है, अगर वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज आवर रोल, देन आई थिंक many of the questions which we actually deal with will not be there.
Yeah. Right.
So see, one thing you should understand, that the role of an analyst is to look forward. Okay, so if you know that your role is to look forward, then जो बना हुआ है उसके बारे में परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just have to understand what is there, and understanding means you actually you should know what is happening. Then probably you can map it what is going to happen. So forward looking जो, और जहां तक बात एनालिस्ट की है ना, ऑनेस्टली अगर मैं बोलूं तो वी ऑल आर वेरी गुड एनालिस्ट. समझदारी में कोई कमी नहीं है किसी के भी. ये सिर्फ हमने एक्चुअली क्या है कि अपने चारों तरफ एक इल्यूजन क्रिएट कर रखा है विच सेज कि हमें कुछ नहीं आता, जबकि हमें सब कुछ आता है. एक टेक्निकल टर्म अगर आपको नहीं मालूम होगी तो यू कैन इजीली गूगल इट एंड अंडरस्टैंड.
यस,
ठीक है. तो जहां तक वो एक स्किल हो गई कि आपको उस इंफॉर्मेशन तक पहुंचना कैसे है. तो जब हमें तरीके मालूम है और सब कुछ आपके पास अवेलेबल है इन योर हैंड्स, तो देन आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई इफ एंड बट होना चाहिए. और रही बात एनालिसिस की, स्वाति, सुरभि, पंकज, whenever you will be given a situation ना, अगर if I'll ask you something कि बहुत ही सिंपल वे में बोलूं कि I need to buy a mobile, ठीक है, I need to buy a car, आप अपने दोस्तों को भी तो बहुत बार सजेस्ट करते हो ना, यार ये कर ले, ये कर लेते हैं, ये चीज करते हैं, ऐसे कर लेते हैं. कभी डिस्कशंस होते हैं तो एक दूसरे से सजेशंस मांगते हैं ना. तो when you were giving suggestion तो आप एक एक्सपर्ट की तरह बिहेव करते हो कि नहीं करते हो? अगर if you have I mean, मैं honestly अगर मैं कहूँ, मुझसे कोई अगर कोई सजेशन मांगता है तो मैं बड़ा मतलब फील ऑनर्ड कि हाँ भाई किसी ने मुझसे कुछ पूछा है, तो मैं अपना पूरा दिमाग उसमें लगा देता हूँ. होता है ना, ये हमारे सबके साथ होता है.
yes.
तो जब imagine this situation, and if we can step into an expert's shoes, then obviously situation कोई भी हो, आपसे अगर WhatsApp ने हम सबको कोविड का डॉक्टर भी बना दिया है. विटामिन सी ले लो, जिंक कोविड ले लो, ये वाली दवाई ले लो, वो वाली दवाई ले लो, ऐसा करो वैसा करो, क्रॉनिंग से ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज बढ़ा लो, पता नहीं क्या क्या. समझ रहे हो ना मेरी बात को? तो हम नॉलेज गेन करते हैं जब हमें कोई सिचुएशन मिलती है, तो हम उस सिचुएशन में उस नॉलेज को अप्लाई करते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली.
हाय रिया. सो मेरा मतलब कंटेंट इज देयर, और कंटेंट
पता नहीं है शायद हमें.
हाँ, ग्रास्प करना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इफ यू नो, अगर मैं आपसे आज एक बात सवाल पूछूं, यार मुझे एक 20 लाख रुपए की गाड़ी खरीदनी है, तो क्या आप में से सभी लोग बेस्ड ऑन योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, बेस्ड ऑन योर रिसर्च, आप मुझे एक गाड़ी सजेस्ट नहीं कर सकते क्या? चलो लेट्स आस्क रिया. हाय रिया.
नहीं, रिया तो सर आप बहुत कुछ बता सकती है आज के डेट.
ओके, तो दैट्स व्हाई
सकती है अभी.
Riya, am I audible?
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good. Riya, आप बताओ.
Sir, I'm good.
Okay. So Riya, we were discussing that I'm planning to buy a car, and my budget is 20 lakhs. So can you suggest some car? Can you suggest some car based on my preference? Whatever you think is right.
I don't know about your preferences. Now I just know that you have invest.
So
you want to invest 20 lakh, but I don't.
So that you have to actually seek, na. If I'm asking your advice, then whatever you need to suggest me, you need to seek that information, right? So you can be that I'm a layman who knows that I need to buy a car. Now, as a consultant, if I'll ask you, can you suggest me a car with a budget of 20 lakhs?
You can buy Creta or Thar. Like, I mean, it's just depend on your personality, which suits you. Or because if you talk about the Thar, it's more like the young generation prefer that car.
Okay. Okay. So see, Ria, it's a very genuine question to you. I mean, don't think that I'm just asking for the sake of asking. Take it seriously, and if you would have been approached for an advice, how would you advise to somebody what all is needed by you as an information before coming to a decision? So that's what I actually want you to, I mean, let's begin with this exercise, and I am your what do you call, I'm the one who has a request. I'm the requester to you, and you are behaving as a consultant for
रिया
this particular situation.
रिया प्रोक्योर करना है तुम्हें, प्रोक्योरमेंट का यूज करो यहाँ पे, रिक्वेस्टर ने रिक्वेस्ट कर दिया आपको.
Okay, now I have to
अब बनाओ
choose the
तुम,
way.
बनाओ कोटेशन बनाओ.
I come on, I'm very bad with cars and all.
बनाओ, सर्च करो, प्रोक्योरमेंट क्या करता है.
Okay, so sir, like for what purpose you need the car? Like for, you know, if you have a big family, then you can prefer SUVs and all.
I need to use that vehicle to commute office.
Or just for the office purpose, that's it.
Yeah, you can say that.
I mean, like how many family members you have, because accordingly we can choose.
We are 7 + 1, 8 people.
And the SUV is the much better option, and that if you want to, you know, like use that car on a daily basis for the office work and.
अरे रिया तो गायब ही हो गई.
इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम.
आप कोई बात नहीं, आ जाएंगी,
अभी आएगी.
So Shubham is there.
हाँ सर, आपका फेवरेट.
अरे पंकज जी, फेवरेट तो आप भी हैं.
नहीं सर, वो ज्यादा हाल चाल लेता था आपसे.
कोई बात नहीं,
आप भूल गए लग रहा है.
याददाश्त थोड़ी सी कमजोर हो जाती है यार, कई बैचेस
नहीं, आप देखोगे तो याद आ जाएगा, फिर रिकॉल हो जाएगा.
लेट्स वेट फॉर रिया, इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे. अच्छा चलो, लेट्स डू वन थिंग. पंकज, यू जस्ट टेक दिस एक्सरसाइज and complete it.
So for me, the same. You said that you have 8 family members.
Yeah.
So I'll suggest MUV.
MUV,
but,
okay.
Yes. Any MUV, which comes under 20 lakhs. The second question is, do you have the space for the MUV at your place?
Yeah, I mean enough space for parking, no issues.
For parking, right? And but you are looking for the car to commute the office only, right?
Yeah.
So I would suggest that if you do not have to go to the trip or to hometown, right? And the purpose is only to commute the office, then and you have the parking space as well, and you have the 20 lakhs budget, then I would suggest that you have to go with the Honda City, which fits you, which suits you, because that
Honda City is not MUV, na?
No, that is not MUV. I am changing the preferences.
Okay.
Because previously I was thinking according to the family members, but now, like your purpose is to commute only to the office, then I would suggest Honda City, the 5-seater, right? But if you are looking for the vehicle which will work to commute to the office and for the trip as well with all your family members, then I would suggest the MUV. You can go ahead with the XUV 500 with the 8-seater option, or any 9-seater option, like Tata has Hexa, and which has a 9-seater option, which is around 20 lakhs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
there are multiple options you have, but you have to choose the any MUV which has the 9-seater option. You can go ahead with the Ertiga, which is more cheaper than others. You can get the Ertiga with under 10 to 12 lakhs with all the features, with the top model. You can go ahead with that.
Okay.
And you will save your rest of around 8 lakhs.
Okay.
This will work for your fuel cost. And it will be very cheaper and helpful. You can go with your family on a trip. You can daily commute to the office. You do not have the parking issue, then it would really suit you. Yeah.
Okay. तो कौन सी गाड़ी बनी? आपने मुझे कंफ्यूज कर दिया. पहले आपने मुझे MUV में कुछ सजेस्ट किया, फिर Honda City में कुछ सजेस्ट किया.
I have given you 3 options, right?
नहीं, मेरे लिए तो आप कंसल्टेंट है ना. I need one answer, and that
So,
should solve my purpose.
As you are the requester.
Yeah.
I'm not confusing. I'm just giving you the option.
No,
like what is your preference now?
नहीं रहे ना.
No. Now I'm just asking that what exactly your issue or what exactly you want. You exactly want to commute only the office, or you want to use that vehicle for the family trip as?
अगर मल्टीपर्पज हो तो उससे बढ़िया कुछ नहीं.
Then Ertiga would be Ertiga would be the best option for you.
Okay.
And this is I guess the best deal for you.
Okay. ठीक है.
You are going to save 8 lakhs as well.
ठीक है. See, पहली बात तो ये, there is no right and wrong in our industry.
Yeah.
If Pankaj can convince me for buying an Ertiga, then Ertiga is the best solution for me. But that should come from Pankaj as if he should be confidently giving me a verdict, like a answer that this is something is the best suited for you. So, guys, what is important? Importance is you should start behaving like a consultant. Whatever be the situation, the process is not going to change. आज का जो discussion होगा, that discussion should be knowledge, but knowledge से ज़्यादा approach should be right.
Yes.
अगर believe me, and first thing, start believing in yourself that we all are good analyst. मैंने एक superlative भी लगा दिया कि good analyst तो एक बार के लिए. अब मैंने जहाँ तक analysis का part था, वो हमेशा client request ऐसे ही आती है. स्टोरी बनानी पड़ती है उसके चारों. जब स्टोरी बनानी पड़ती है तो स्टोरी को इस तरह से बनाया जाता है कि वो सारे पर्पस सॉल्व कर सके. तो ये अप्रोच जो है, दैट अप्रोच इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज इफ वी डोंट चेंज आवर अप्रोच. पहली बात तो ये कि अपने दिमाग से ये बात निकाल दो कि यू डोंट नो मच और एनीथिंग अबाउट द टॉपिक. Whatever situation would have been given to you, you will seek information. आपको अगर कल को रॉकेट भी बनाने के लिए बोला जाए तो आप वो बना सकते हो. That is the confidence you should, क्योंकि you are not inventing something, you are just creating. Recreation में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Nobody is asking to reinvent the wheel. बात समझ में आई? बहुत सिंपल है. और and the biggest point is कि we all have this. This guy is the tool which helps us in reaching to whatever level of information we want. अगर information paid होगी तो भी हम उस payment को, paid information को use करके decision लेंगे. So approach change करनी है. So Ria is back. Let's hear from her as well. Once we hear from her, then we'll probably, I'll conclude how you should approach and what should be the right process you should follow.
She was going to refresh her.
या या पंकज जी आज आप बहुत लाइट मूड में हैं साहब, हैं? बेचारे रिया के पीछे पड़ गए हैं.
No, she has that. That's why I'm saying.
Okay. Yeah, Riya, am I audible?
She's expert in procurement now.
Okay.
Nothing like that. It's just only Alex. Not.
See that's the beauty actually. If we connect with people and we can take, understand the humor. That's the best part of it.
Yeah, it was a sarcasm. I know.
Yeah. That's why I use it. Being an analyst or being a consultant, you should always mind what you are going to say. Okay, yeah, Riya. Don't worry, we'll handle it. We'll handle Pankaj differently. Don't worry.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
So Riya, the question is same. We just want to understand. Want your consultancy. I have a situation. I want to buy a car. I don't know anything about which one should I go for, and
what if I'll say even I don't know about much about the cars?
That's what you can't say, no? As a see the point here is that's the biggest and the most important point. If you are behaving like a consultant or an analyst, you cannot say that you don't know.
Then I'll buy some time and I'll do my research. Then I'll come with the preparation.
So
then I'll tell you.
That's what I'm saying. Yes, that's what. अगर एक बात बताओ, एक वकील के पास when somebody reaches out a lawyer and he every case is new for him, right? So
Yeah.
if he starts saying that I haven't came across such situation, then nobody will believe and will have confidence on him. Na? So
Yeah, I got your.
so that's the point. See, as a consultant or an analyst, we will have information whatever is required. If I'm the requester, I'm the client who is going to buy. Let's understand the roles. When I'm saying I'm saying that if I'm paying you, then I'm expecting some kind of a services. And when I am looking at you as an expert, then you have to behave like an expert. So whatever is required for that situation. देखो, course is designed such a you would have understood what is going to be covered. किसी का mic, Pankaj, I think there is a background noise.
No, not from my side.
Okay, whosoever is.
Yeah, actually there is background noise from my side. I'm really sorry.
Okay, so for the time being, you just keep your mic on.
I'll mute.
Yeah. So my course is designed like that. You will come to know different aspects at different levels. First, when we actually first interacted, at that point of time, you actually had an idea about what all is important to do forecasting. So once you are done with forecasting, now after forecasting, you will understand how valuation is done. So that is the level 2, and then we look into the third aspect where we will try and understand different ways of doing it. It's a process based, right? जब भी कुछ design होता है तो वो एक part of the process होता है. If this is a journey, then at one stage, first stage, we'll learn something, and then after that, the second stage comes, and after that, the third stage will follow. So whenever we are posing ourselves as an analyst, as a consultant, then first of all, what is important is whenever you are putting your point, it should be put in such a way that you should look confident. And when you say something if you are not confident, it's right to say that I need some time to do my background research. Okay, so that is there. It's not that everything you should know and you will be impromptu to answer anything. But whenever we have a situation, whatever be the requirement, we have to actually behave in a process-oriented manner. the first stage, what is the first stage? Knowing about the problem. I am having a problem that I need to buy a car, and the car which I want to buy has a budget, and with that budget, what all options are available? Like Pankaj gave me so many options. There are follow-up questions. So it's not that you will have your conclusion in the first interaction. So what is important is, first you should be on the same page, or you have to step into the requester. So once you step into the shoes of the requester, then you will start realizing that it is not his issue, it is my issue now. Shabash.